These days, this hack is going viral. I mean, everyone must have eaten it in childhood. I've just made it a little weird, so to make it, first of all, I've cut the four corners of the bread and removed them. Then I've put some butter in a pan. And as soon as the butter melts, we'll put the bread in it. You can also use ghee instead of butter. Then we have to toast the bread from both the sides. And as soon as it is toasted from both the sides, we'll put milk in it. I've taken half a cup of milk here, but we have to put the milk little by little. And in the same way, we have to cook the bread until the bread soaks all the milk. And as soon as the bread soaks all the milk, we'll flip it. It looks very tasty. Now to make it sweet, if you want, we'll put some honey on it. Then after putting honey on it, we have to turn off the gas. It looks very tasty. So let's taste it and see. I liked its taste. And you can try the rest and see.